Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at this Conbrov dash cam. So it's kind of a little dash cam. So let's take a look at the back here, some of the specifications. 69p, 1080p, 720p. Got a little screen in the back, kind of GPS enabled stuff, a G sensor, parking monitor detection. Anyway, so this is one of their better cameras. They have a couple cheaper version that's slimmer than this, and then they got this one I think is their nicer one, and this comes out to be right under $100, which is about $90, and I'll have a link in the description. Alright, so let's unpack it and see what's inside. So this part just slides out, then we got a box. There we go. Alright, well, it definitely looks small. I guess you're greeted with the camera here. It's in a little baggie. And there it is. Look at that. This thing is pretty small, guys. As you can see, it's in my hand. There's that screen in the back. And some buttons here. Power button. Reset little hole, and I guess the power cord. I'm guessing that's the microphone there, maybe. Or maybe the speaker output. The lens seems to be pretty nice quality. There is like a little piece of plastic on top of it here. There we go. And you can tell that's a pretty nice lens. So it's supposed to be pretty good quality, so we'll see how it looks like. This appears just for looks, doesn't do anything. These little ridges here. Let's put this to the side for a second. See what else inside this box. It looks like we got an adapter for a mini micro SD card to a USB. Okay, this is to connect the camera to the computer, the power to the camera here, and last but not least, a little suction cup, guys. Wow, everything is so small, which is nice because you don't want anything bulky. Let's see, how would this go on? Alright, it looks like this way. Till just like that, goes in, and just clicks in, and that's it. The camera is ready. Oh, here's the microphone, and there's where you put the SD card, micro SD card, and a pretty nice instruction booklet with very detailed pictures of how to use everything. Now that's pretty impressive. It tells you how to set up your GPS and location. We're mostly going to be looking at the quality of this camera. Alright, so I had a little trouble with the SD card. Apparently it doesn't take all of them until I found a pretty good one. I think it was ScanDisk. It started working. Some of the other non-brand ones it just wouldn't take for some reason, even formatted. Alright, so I inserted my other card. All data will be deleted. Like I said, I go down, push OK. This is the card that didn't want to work at first. Let's try it. Alright, so hopefully it'll work now. Let me push the record button here. Okay, it's working now. So the card that didn't work started working. So I guess I didn't see that I could format it straight from the camera. It's a little bit confusing, the menus. So right when it turns on, and if it says like you can't read your card, you just gotta click this button, the menu button here right away. And then you click it again. See if I click it now. Oh, it's locked. Gotta turn off the recording. Okay, if you click it, then to get over to the settings you gotta click it again, and that's when you're setting. Then you just scroll down all the way to formatting, and you can get that thing to go. And this thing's so tiny it's hard to hold it in one hand. I think we're done looking at it here physically. Let's move to the car and see if we can install this thing into the windshield. Alright guys, so we're sitting in my Infinity G35. I haven't figured out exactly where I'm going to plug it in, but for now I'm just going to plug it in right there. So this thing is a pretty small profile, as you can see, so I'm going to try to mount it as high as I can up here. So alright guys, so for now I decided to put it right there. I think later I'll tuck it in a little bit farther deeper, but just for this video's sake so you can see a little better. Alright, so I got it plugged in. And the camera, as you can see guys, these wires ultra long, so I'm going to plug it into here. Obviously nothing's happening because the ignition is not on. So let's see if we can start the car. And yep, there it goes. That turns on. And it starts recording automatically on its own. So I haven't adjusted it yet. It's got a pretty wide angle. I'm gonna have to go pick up the kids here soon. We're gonna restart this baby, and I'm gonna drive with it so you guys can see a little better the quality of the camera. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're powered up and ready to go. It's 12:23. I'm not sure if the time is going to be showing up on the video, but we'll see. So I'm probably going to speed up some of the video and then kind of slow down at times so you can see a little better, depending on where I'm at. Whoa! Check out that frog, bro.
Where?
It's in front of the car. Go look at it. It's huge, dude. No, get
Oh
out.
my!
You see it?
Uh-huh.
We need to poke it so I don't run it over. Can you go over there and like poke it?
What? I don't want to go. I'm too scared.
Dude, it's just a frog.
It might jump on me.
I might run it over, bro. It's not gonna jump on you. It's gonna jump away. It's scared.
Okay, I'm just trying to put on a leaf on it.
Okay. A huge frog in the road. There he goes. He's jumping. Okay, kiss Tushy. There you go. Okay, watch out.
He's mad.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's better than getting run over. Okay, don't yell, dude. Everybody's sleeping. And that's it.